And we are meeting, I think, second or
But
third time.
yes, ma'am, according to my third time.
Yes. So please introduce yourself little bit for my viewers.
Okay, so ma'am, as you know, my name is Sachin. I'm connecting you from Jodhpur district of Rajasthan state. And if you talk about my
Mm,
qualifications, so I'm doing MBBS from Dr. Sampurnanand Medical College, Jodhpur. It is my first year. This year I qualified for NEET UG exam. And if you talk about my hobbies, so in my free time I love to play volleyball and sometimes listening English content and doing audio and video conversations. That's all about me, ma'am.
mm, mm. I'm also observing some difference. Like
Yes,
on the first day, you were very nervous, but today I'm just watching. You are, very cool and calm.
yes. Thanks for this.
Okay. So how is your study going?
Yes, my study is going on well and very
Mm.
fantastic way.
And how is the new city, Jodhpur, Blue City?
Yes, Jodhpur is a very good city. In the starting, I have visited some places like Mehrangarh Fort, Kailana
Mm.
Lake, and Machia Park. So, not more places, but these three places. So,
There is a
it's very good
Mandodri Palace
city.
also. There is a Mandodri Palace also.
Yes, it's called Mandor.
Mandor, yes, Mandor.
It's
Yes,
a
sometimes I
garden.
forget.
Yes,
Yes.
it's a garden.
Mm.
And
Mm. And there is a famous
I've
zoo
not visited. I
also.
was,
I forget the name.
yes, I was we were about to visit, but we cancelled the plan. And
Mm.
because I was visiting with my parents, they have also
Mm.
come. So I visited along with them. So
Mm. Do you find any difference between Jodhpur and you belong from Churuna?
yes,
Do you
yes,
find any difference?
yes, there is a lot of difference because if you talk about Churu is a very uh, short district and it is not well developed district. And if you talk about Jodhpur, it is a very developed and very good district, and
Mm.
almost all facilities, every type of facilities are available here. It's a metro
Mm.
city. It is a
Yes.
and very and very large difference according to me.
Mm. And there is
And there are various
Air Force station also. I think in the Jodhpur there is Air Force station also.
yes. Can you repeat?
Air Force. Air
Yes,
Force area also.
yes.
Mm. Yes. Because my uncle
It's
is
around
living in
near the
Jodhpur, and
airport.
when I was in third standard, that time I visited Jodhpur.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. Okay,
So
so in this video, I will narrate a story for you. And after that, you will tell me any teaching from that story.
okay, sure.
You will observe this story. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Um,
This story is from the famous book Panchtantra. Have you heard about Panchtantra book?
yes, I have heard, but I have not read.
Okay. But this story is very famous. Story name is Monkey and Crocodile.
Okay,
Okay. So in a bustling forest, there were two creatures. First one was monkey and second one was crocodile. Monkey was living on a tree. He was known for his witty tricks and smartness and nimble fingers. And crocodile was known for his cunningness and for his selfishness. One day, crocodile was looking to the monkey and he was thinking his brain would be very delicious. I should eat. But how can I eat monkey's brain? So he was thinking an idea. Then he swim in the river and he said to the monkey, "Why, monkey, you are looking so sad? Please come to me. I will give you sweet mango." Because on the other side of the river, there is a big tree of mangoes and it is totally laden by the ripe mangoes. Then monkey was thinking, he was also aware his cunningness, but he was very tempted for the mangoes. So without any second thought, he jumped and he sit on his back. In the middle of the river, the crocodile opened his secret and he was telling him, I really love to eat monkey's brain. After hearing this, monkey frightened, but yes, he controlled his feelings and he was thinking, how can I save my life? Then he said to crocodile, oh, do you love my brain? But my brain is on the tree. You should again go back. Then crocodile, without thinking, he again go back that tree where monkey was living. And in a 1 minute, monkey jumped and he sat on the tree. Then he said, do you think I am fool? You want my brain. And after eating my brain, I will die. And second thing, you have cheated me because I trust you. You are my friend, but you have cheated me. So now, what you have observed from this story?
Okay, so
What did you
uh,
observe?
uh, do you want to me to narrate the ultimate title?
No, no, no. You can tell me any teaching from the story.
So
Like
first
right
thing,
now, we are using Skype application. Okay, there are so
okay,
many strangers also. We are doing everyday conversation, but we cannot, blindly trust anyone.
yes. Okay, so also first thing, according to me,
Hmm.
what I observed that the monkey was clever, and
Hmm.
it was and as you told me in the starting that he was famous for his cleverness and
Hmm.
cunningness,
Hmm.
not
Hmm.
cunningness. So
In
so
the
he
middle
used
of the
his
river, monkey
cleverness.
was aware that he is giving.
Yes, yes.
He cheated. He
Yes,
cheated to him,
the monkey.
but
Yes, in the
without
mid, but
fear.
new.
Yes.
Yes, but
Hmm.
he did not fear. He used his cleverness again at that
Hmm.
point when the and we should always according to we should always use our cleverness. So
Hmm.
that I what I observed, and the second
Hmm.
thing, two things I observed, and the second thing is we should not to tell the our tell the things to others, like in the
Hmm.
middle the crocodile opened the secret that
Yes.
he gonna to eat his brain.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
the second thing what I noticed, so
Hmm.
that is what I noticed.
Like nowadays, we are using so many applications of the social media,
Yes,
and sometimes we are connected with some strangers. So we
yes,
should never, blindly trust anyone, and we should never tell some, personal things,
yes,
and we should never share. And second thing, any situation, and
yes,
we should always control
I
our
agree.
feelings.
Yes, we should all
Sometime in
yes,
the
that is
in the
the
dangerous situation, we feeling very panic.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
So
Sometimes we because we are
hmm,
frightened, so we should always keep control at our feelings. So
hmm.
that is
And
also
nowadays
the
people are speaking very sweetly.
yes,
Yes.
yes, because they
So we
have
should
they
always use our brain.
yes,
Yes. And sometimes, like we are talking with someone, and there is one thing in the human brain, I can say. Sometimes we are feeling this person is not good for our life. So this kind
yes,
of intuition again and again comes in our mind. So we should always give some attention, our gut
yes.
feelings.
I agree with you.
Yes. Anything you observed from this story? Any other thing?
According to me, not uh,
Mhm.
only these
Because
three things.
nowadays, like we are using so many application and someone is speaking very sweetly,
Yes,
we trust
because sometimes
blindly.
yes,
Yes.
yes. Sometimes we the front person is speaking very sweetly. So sometimes
Mm.
we tell the important secrets, some important things
Yes.
that we not to
Mm.
answer, that we not to
Because
say.
in this era, we are making friends very easily, but all friends are not good.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
Only few friends are good, and according to
Mm.
me, friends should be helpful.
If someone is giving unnecessary help, you are
Yes,
matlab some means someone is giving so much help. You should think twice or thrice why he
yes,
is giving so much help. Yes.
yes,
So now I'm going to tell you some daily use sentences. Do you want?
yes. What
Okay.
was you saying?
No, no, I will just share. Okay.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yes. तुम पार्टी कब दे रहे हो? When are you throwing the party? Or you can say when are you hosting the party? मैं पार्टी आज ही दे रही हूँ. I am throwing the party today. Or you can say I am hosting the party today. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
वह अपनी माँ की तरह खूबसूरत है. She is beautiful like her mother. Or you can say she is as beautiful as her
As a mother.
mother.
Yes.
Yes. If she is a girl, then we can use her. And if he is a boy, we will use his.
Yes.
वह अपने पिताजी की तरह ही एक सफल बिजनेसमैन है. He is a successful businessman like his father.
Father.
और इसी सेंटेंस को हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. He is
As successful as a
as
father.
successful businessman as his
As
father.
a father.
As his
Yes.
father because he is a boy.
Yes.
Yes. यह नोट मार्केट में नहीं चलेगा. This
Yes.
note
No,
will not be
will not
accepted in
work.
the market. Yes.
Yes.
Or you can say this note won't. This note will not be valid in the market.
Yes.
Hmm. Do you have any sentence so you can share?
So I have not any sentence. You can ask.
Okay. उसके बाल मत खींचो. Don't pull her hair.
Hair.
और अगर कोई बॉय है, don't pull his hair.
Yes.
बाल की खाल खींचना बंद करो. बाल की खाल मीन्स जब हम हर छोटी छोटी बात में किसी की कमी निकालते हैं.
Yes.
इसके लिए एक वर्ड होता है टू निट पिक. NITPICK. निट पिक.
Yes. Nitpick.
स्टॉप निट पिकिंग. स्टॉप निट पिकिंग. बाल की खाल
Yes.
खींचना बंद करो. तुम तो हर
Stop
छोटी छोटी बात पर बाल की खाल खींचती रहती हो. या फिर ऐसे भी होता है सेंटेंस, तुम तो हर छोटी छोटी बात पर बाल की खाल खींचते रहते हो, मतलब कमियां निकालते रहते हो.
Yes.
यू आर ऑलवेज निट पिकिंग.
Nitpicking at small things.
हाँ, you are always nitpicking at small things, at every small things.
Yes.
No, we will not use that. We will use over small things.
Yes. Our small things. Okay.
Yes. So these were the daily use sentences.
Okay.
Hmm. So do you have any question for me? Then you can ask.
So I have not any question because I have not prepared for any particular topic or I have not any question right now.
Hmm. Because you know,
So
if
if you
we are doing role play and if we are narrating a story, if we are sharing any daily use sentence,
yes,
so video will be fruitful for the others.
yes. So if you have any
Because
question, you can ask.
unnecessarily we are talking. If no, I have no question because I
If you have any
already asked
question,
so
any
many
topic,
questions
you
regarding
can.
your Jodhpur city. I have already asked.
Yes.
In the next session, I will discuss some other topics. Okay?
Okay. You can send me the topic before starting the conversation.
No,
You,
no, my topic is very easy because I always narrate. I always prefer narrate the story because after hearing the story, you can tell me any teachings,
okay.
which is related to the today's era. Like in the today's era, sometimes people are speaking very sweetly, and we are trapped easily.
Yes.
So we should first of all we should
Yes,
understand
because
their
people are hidden captive
intentions.
for us.
Yes,
Yes.
we should understand their intentions.
Yes. I am agree
So
with you.
this story was very useful for the today's era. It is a famous
Yes, sure.
story. Yes. So now I'm going to end this session. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay. Have a nice day. I will try to connect you again.